How to check iPhone battery cycle count. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Battery. You will then be taken to the Battery Settings page. Now, go to Battery Health as shown. This section displays information about your battery's capacity and peak performance capability, and it will indicate if your battery needs to be serviced. As you can see, you can view your battery health, maximum battery capacity, cycle count, manufacture date and first use date. So if you want to check your battery cycle count, you can check it from here. Cycle count is the number of times iPhone has used your battery's capacity. Following these steps, you can easily check iPhone battery cycle count. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.